Hi, it's Long. Today's video I want to show you an Airbnb I recently stayed in. The host can teach us how to go fishing and catch merle crabs for the beginner. Let's start it. Today I'm going to go Baffle Creek Trail. The trail is like an Airbnb owner. They have their own land and they just have a trail to the creek. And there's a really beautiful camping site there, and we are going to there for camping tonight. They provide some fish rods for us, and you can go fishing in there. And they also have a fire pit. You can make a fire there, and they also have the wood out there. So I'm quite excited about that. I just got lost a bit because the trail is some of them are similar. We saw the sign to the river. Just on your right. The trail is quite easy to walk. For about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on what you explore. I just go through the forest and river and stream, so it takes me a longer time to do all the trail. You can camp in here as well. You can see the harbor. It's a really big one. They connect with these two big trees together. Full fishing rod. There's two on the tree and another just near the riverside. As you see, you can make a fire here when you got the fish. You can have a good barbecue. And there's a wood out over there. And there's a platform just over there. On the ground you can see they have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pipes you can put your fish rod. You just put into the pipe. And the menu is so easy, just waiting for the fish coming for you. And they had a couple crab pot. You can catch a lot of crab in there. And when you got the fish, you can put some small fish into the pot. You can just put it on the bottom of the crab pot and tie it up and just chuck it into the water. Then you just wait for it in the next day. You probably can get some fresh crabs. So you also can get some fishing equipment out here. You just open this one, the fishing gear and life vest. Like a treasure box, you can find anything you want. You have some knife, scissors, and also you have some sinker, hook, and even the net. The owner provides you a lot of equipment for fishing. Actually, you don't have to bring too much of your fishing stuff. They also provide you some bucket, and you can collect the water from the creek. There are 2 tables for fishing you caught. The lower table is great for cutting some bait. Another on the higher table is perfect for dealing with fresh fishes. The host informed us about the technique of using ground bait to entice fish. By sprinkling it before casting our lines, we can lure smaller fish closer to the shore, thereby attracting larger fish. The host provides 4 fishing rods and I have my own one, so I have 5 fish rods at the same time for fishing. I used the prawn for the bait, which you can buy easily in any general store.
And tying another knot, so 3 or 4 times. And hold it and pull back. Yeah, got one.
It was my first time going fishing with a lot of fishing rods. I was quite enjoying casting the line even if it made me so busy. While it was getting quiet, I fly the drone to watch the beautiful scenes of the creek. Baffle Creek is a tidal river. Despite fishing 21 kilometers inland from the sea, it is still possible to catch marine exclusive fish in its waters. With so much fish rod, I didn't even notice that my fishing rod had hooked something until I heard the struggling sound from the reel. The host told her to use a fish line with 3 hooks to catch fish as a bait.
2 bait fish.
Ooh! This is my first time fishing with live bait. Unfortunately, I didn't catch any big fish. This is also an eye-opener for me to use live bait to attract big fish.
It did have a fish on it.
After that, the host threw the cast net to get the fish. Sadly, the net was stuck into the water, so he went down the creek to release it. I had tried casting the net, but I couldn't cast the full circle as the host did. While waiting for the fish, I gathered dry stick in the forest for firewood. I classify them as small, medium, and large for different burning durations. Due to the dry weather and oil-rich eucalyptus trees in Australia forest, caution is crucial to avoid accidental bushfires. Using a fire pit or stone for a campfire, keeping it separated from the ground. The best way is checking for the fire ban warning on state government website to ensure no fire ban in your area. As sun was going down, I pitched the tent before dark. The temperature swiftly dropped, reaching around 10 degrees, prompting us to add more firewood to keep warm. Under the twinkling stars, we had grilled fish for dinner and chatted each other until the fire was over. We went back to the tent for sleep. The next day, the sun was shining in our tent and we spent a bit time exploring the creek in kayak. There won't be too much wet unless someone drives the boat because the forest surrounding the river acts as a wind barrier. As we sat on the kayak, we gazed at the towering tree with the sky and the calm river reflected like a mirror. The beauty of the nature made us so peaceful. After morning exercise, we pulled the crab pot ashore to see if we had got any crabs.
好大哦！你看，1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8。
We counted the total low-fat mer crabs. We finally understood that
酷哦，他们是怎
the
么
owner said there will be something to fill our stomachs. 要了2只，3只。While we are making fire to boil water, we searched if there was a fishing limit for mer crabs, and we found that female crab were prohibited during the spawning season. So we released all the female crab back to nature in Baffle Creek. Female crab, so we can't get that.
拜拜。哎，不回家吗？
We finally concluded our vacation in the fishing paradise. Each day flew by. The memories continue to leave a lasting impression on us.